Hi! Pabuhat na lang ha. I'm so tired na eh.
Kaya ka na.
Thank you very much. It's my day for guys and gals. I've been disposing my scraps in my house.
Me.
Hi! I'm here again. Thank you, Lord. How many kilos?
17.5.
Oh, in fairness, we increased from 8, 7.7 kilos and then 8, 13.5. See? Hi! Ay, na.
Okay na?
Kamusta?
Wala.
Masayahin kayo, no? Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings. Shout out to each and every one of you, okay? Day 4. So, as days goes by, day 8. So, if you have scraps, sell it to the junk shop. It's additional extra income. Bye for now. And shout out to my mother and Bicol Fea Mordo, to my sister Christine and Helen Carreta, my childhood friend, Lisa Rocky. Thank you for watching, and to each everyone in my lovely countries. Thank you, bye. See that? Not bad. 13 kilos and it's 67.